Today, the customer sent a sterling silver open ring test welding. Check the size first. Wire diameter 1.3 mm thick. Start tuning parameters. Pure silver needs to turn on the compressed air function. This gap is handled very well. The tighter the seam, the better it looks when welded out. Let's start soldering. Wire diameter 1.3 mm. It is recommended to weld twice. In this way, the welded ring is smoother. Clamping welding. Friends who weld sterling silver. It is recommended to choose a machine with argon function. Otherwise, it will be easy to break when welded out. It's too hot, use pliers to assist. This makes the welding very silky. It's welded. Let's see the effect together. The solder joint is full and does not turn black. Solder joint welded by pressurized gas. Like polished. One more. It can be completely penetrated. Remember to pay attention.